reach out my hand.
Hi, we are a Green Movement, and our goal for this campaign is to change the recycling habits of the world. But first, we need to start from our city and school. We invite you to be part of this and make a change in your society. It is really simple, you just have to avoid throwing the trash where it doesn't belong. Try to take to recycle as much as possible, including reusing what can be reused, or making something useful out of recycled material. An example would be using plastic bottles as little pots for your glass. Be the change and be creative. This challenge is important for everybody, especially for our environment. You have no idea how the world can change dramatically because of our bad recycling habits, and the climate can change and also its ecosystem. It is not very far in the future when we will regret not taking care of our planet, so let's live in a clean world, and for that, take the initiative.
Throughout both projects, we have learned different concepts, based on our topics like the analytics of the environmental problems or ideas that may have a bigger impact in society, and things on which the team relies on, such as our own effort, organization, responsibility, etc. Each of us have been improving our individual abilities. After working together the whole semester, we have realized our specialties. For example, some of us are good on the organization, some are good on the writing parts and implementations, and others are better when focused on the design of stuff, such as posters, etc. We've seen that it is not that easy to implement or to take in action a project and have it all done perfectly. We now know that it requires a lot of dedication.
We got to understand the importance of recycling and how changing the way of thinking of people around us we can improve the habits of our community. We also consulted the director of Go Green in our campus and learned new things about recycling. Also, by investigating more about the topic, we understood new concepts involved in recycling and how they affect directly or indirectly our environment.
We decided that the best way to spread the recycling method and making it a habit in the citizens of our city is to show them that it is not only good for the environment and for reducing pollution, but also it can be useful for using those recycled materials. Our plan for showing this for the students of our school is for them to make a project for their literature subject using recycled materials. In this case, we chatted with the teachers of the subject and we proposed them this idea, and after analyzing it, they decided that all 4 semesters will make it. This student's project is to make a structure of Leonardo da Vinci's masterpieces in scale, with bottles or cans or any material that can be reused or recycled. With this method, they will learn that they can make products with recycled materials. They help the environment and at the same time they save money. Our objective is also the teacher, so in the future they consider to do it with other projects. Finally, after the students finish it, we will give them a talk telling them how it is good recycling and how we make a safer world. However, this is not the only thing we are implementing. In order to support it, we will also spend a week promoting campaigns of recycling or web pages around the internet via social media or blogs.
Another way that people think is going to facilitate recycling is having it in parts where they usually go. We decided to put trash cans for recycling in public places as Rufino Tamayo. We think it can be a good solution, and in the future this is going to promote more because garbage everywhere we find it, but sometimes complicated split for recycling. Is why we want to raise awareness so that people start to do it in their homes and later date after it's more common in public places.